Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Mirza Home Decor, the YouTube channel dedicated to the art of incorporating plants as decor element in your living spaces. If you're passionate about creating a harmonious and inviting environment, this is the perfect place for you. Our channel is your ultimate guide to transforming your home, office, or any space into a lush heaven of natural beauty. Join us as we delve into the captivating world of botanical decor, offering you a plethora of creative ideas, expert tips, and a project that effortlessly blend natural elegance with your unique style. Discover the power of greenery, explore how to vibrancy of plant can breathe life into any room, from launch indoor garden to statically placed potted plant. We showcase how even the smallest touch of green can infuse a space with tranquility and vitality. Unleash your creativity, learn to think outside the post. Our video will inspire you to reimage plant decor through innovative design, whether it's suspended, uh, planted, terrarium, or living wall art. We guide you step by step, ensuring your space is a reflection of your artistic flair. Selecting the right plant. Not all plants are created equal. When it comes to interior decor, we help you choose the perfect plant that thrived indoor, require minimal maintenance, and complement your synthetic, from air purifying wonder to uh, succulent delight. Our recommendation will bring the beauty of the outdoor side. Care and maintenance, keeping your plant decor looking its best is a breeze when you have the right guidance. Our care tips will empower you to nurture your green companion, ensuring they flourish and enhance your space for year to come. Whether you working with a cozy apartment, a sparing mansion, or an office cubicle, we tailor you in ideas to suit your specific environment. Our easy to follow tutorial will guide you through every aspect of creating and maintaining your plant decor. No green thumb, no problem. We break down a complex process into manageable step, empowering both beginner and seasoned enthusiasts. Join us on this journey to bring the serenity of nature indoor, and experience the magic of plant based decor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to infuse your space with the enchantment. Greenery plant are many other color to create planter and pots to create wooden and box design are used to create many beautiful decor. Beauty of the outdoor indoor through creative plant based decor, whether you are season plant or are just embark on your green journey. Our video offer a treasure trove of ideas, tips, and technique to help you craft a harmonious and inviting environment. The power of botanical decor discover the profound impact that plants can have on the ambience of any space from revitalizing homes to fostering a productive workspace. We delve into the science behind the benefit of incorporating greenery into your surrounding, learn about improve air quality, stress reduction, and the overall positive effect that that well chosen plants can have you on your well-being. Selecting the ideal indoor plant. Not all plants are suitable for indoor decor. In this chapter, we guide you through the process of choosing the perfect plants for your space. Whether working with ample sunlight or limited exposure, we recommend a diverse array of low maintenance plants that thrive indoor. Discover the unique future of plant and how they can be used to accentuate a different aspect of your decor. Unleash your creativity as we explore innovative and artistic way to incorporating plants into your decor scheme. We showcase a variety of design style from minimalist elegance to lush botanical garden. Learn how to craft captivating focal point, create balanced composition, and mix and match different plant variety of for a visual that resonate with your personal style. Get your hand dirty and embark on exciting and plant decor project. We provide step-by-step tutorial for crafting suspended planter, geometric plant stands, vertical garden, and more. Our right material, potting technique, and care roughness to ensure your decoration thrive and flourish. No master the size or function of your space, we got you convert this chapter and delves into the art of trade plant decor to suit different environment. Whether you adorning a cozy apartment balcony, a spacious living room, a home office, or even a com- uh, commercial space, we often specialized tips to optimize your decor. Choose for maximum impact. Caring for plants is not. Thanks for watching the video Mirza Home Decor. Like and subscribe.